What is NATO's new nuclear warning to Putin in Ukraine war? 2026. Ukraine war live. NATO delivers new nuclear weapon warning to Putin. This warning comes as Russia and Belarus have just launched major nuclear-capable missile drills near Ukraine. The stakes have never been higher, and you need to know what's happening right now. At NATO's headquarters, Secretary-General Mark Rutte made a stark warning to Russia. If Russia uses nuclear weapons against Ukraine, NATO will respond with a devastating countermeasure. This statement comes amid escalating tensions, signaling NATO's firm stance on nuclear threats in the ongoing Ukraine conflict. In a show of force, Russia and Belarus started 3 days of military drills on May 22, 2026. Moscow has deployed nuclear munitions to storage facilities in Belarus, located just miles north of Ukraine. These exercises include launching nuclear-capable missiles, heightening fears of escalation. The regional tension is palpable as Latvia reacts to increased Russian military activity by issuing drone alerts and scrambling fighter jets. This heightened alert underscores the destabilizing impact of the drills and the ongoing Ukraine war. As Russia escalates, Ukraine continues its own military efforts. Recently, Ukrainian forces said their drones successfully hit another Russian refinery, showing their continued resistance despite the looming nuclear threat. This dynamic intensifies the conflict and the stakes for all involved. What this means for you is the Ukraine conflict is entering an especially dangerous phase. NATO's clear nuclear warning shows how high the stakes are, and the military drills near Ukraine underline the risk of escalation. Stay informed, as this could impact global security and energy markets. Subscribe for daily updates on the crisis unfolding right now.